this video I am going to discuss about muscular system. So the muscular system is a system that enables the body to move. There are more than 600 muscles in your body. Muscles are very elastic, meaning they can contract, become shorter and thicker, and expand, become longer and thinner. Some muscles are voluntary, which means you can control their movement. And some muscles are involuntary, which means you can't control their movement. So, there are three types of muscles in the human body. The first one is skeletal muscles, and the second is smooth muscle, and the third is the cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to your bones by fibers called tendons. There are voluntary muscles. You use your skeletal muscles when you wave to someone, or kick a football, or pick something up. Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. They control the parts of your body that keep you functioning without your knowledge. For example, smooth muscles in your digestive system contract and expand to help you digest your food. Smooth muscles in your eyes control the size of your pupils depending on how bright it is. Your heart is a muscle known as the cardiac muscle. It is an involuntary muscle that pumps the blood around your body. I hope so you understood the simple concept about muscular system. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me.